Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Henderson County in western North Carolina, southwestern Polk County in western North Carolina, north central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, until 11:30. At 5:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Fact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hendersonville, Tuxedo, North Saluda Reservoir, Grassy Mountain, and East Flood Rock. Near Lake Summit may also experience localized flash flooding as streams overflow their banks. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
And thanks. Are you sure?